What the hell? Gran! Granny! What the? Where are you?
Never go to Meadows. Never go to Meadows. Free cows, nice.
Granny?
Jake, get in the closet. There's a guy in the basement with a chainsaw. Get the hell in here. Or go in there and get your daddy.
It's a prank, Granny. It's me.
You son of a bitch! Help now!
You stupid motherfucker. I'm gonna beat the living fucking hell out of you. Let me find something.
It was a prank.
Here we go again. Charge! Marcel! Go for the face!
Yeah, gotcha.
But I'm really good with guns now. Dance, bitch!
Quit.
Fucking ice. I'll break your damn fucking ice.